Hey, we're going to make a hyaluronic acid and niacinamide serum today. And then later on, I'm going to show you how to add an extra ingredient. This is pretty easy to make. I made this about a week ago, and I made it in no time. That's the reason why this video is so short today. Hyaluronic acid is considered a humectant, which can help hydrate and soften the skin. I love these little dropper bottles. It's so hard to choose which color. I have the one that is amber colored, and then I have a clear one. I got the clear ones just because I like those little gold tops that were on there. I'm adding 87.5 grams distilled water, 2 grams of niacinamide. And remember, niacinamide helps with hyperpigmentation or dark spot. So I would consider this a brightening ingredient. The water was pretty cold, so I tried to stir it up and mix it, but I just had to let it sit for a little bit. Next, I added 10 grams of pre-mixed hyaluronic acid. This will end up being 0.01 total gram weight of the actual hyaluronic acid ingredient of the total formula. Remember to subscribe for more videos, more free formulas and recipes. Then I added 0.5 grams of liquid Dermal Plus broad spectrum preservative. This prevents the mold and bacteria from setting up in there. This hyaluronic acid serum is lightweight, and hyaluronic acid is thought to help prevent transepidermal water loss, which in turn makes your skin appear smoother and hydrated. Rice ceramides is a water-soluble moisturizer. This is the second formula, and with this one, we're going to put in 79.5 grams of distilled water, 2 grams of the niacinamide, again, just like we did in the first one. With the second formula, after I added the niacinamide, I took it over and heated it up to about 100 degrees, and that cleared it up right away. I didn't have to let it sit for a little while to clear up and let everything hydrate. Next, I added 10 grams of pre-mixed hyaluronic acid, and I added 8 grams of ceramides, the rice ceramides, and then I added the 0.5 grams of the liquid Dermal Plus. I can't really decide which one of these bottles I like best, if I like the clear one or if I like the amber colored bottle. I'll just leave some comments down there and let me know which one you prefer. I made this formula for someone very, very special. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.